Welcome to Automate America. In this video, I will walk you, our service partners, through how to add professionals to your team so you can apply them to contracts. These are employees of your company that you want to keep billable. The most successful service companies on Automate America have employees doing contract work sourced through Automate America, and for other projects, they are contracting in professionals they don't currently have or don't want to hire for a short-term need. Automate America was built for service companies, and we are here to support your growth with opportunities and contractors on demand, when and where you need them. One rule: please do not add independent contractors to your team. Only direct, full-time employees. From your dashboard, look for the dark green button on the lower right-hand side. That's where we begin. We do not recommend adding your employees to your team until you know they'll be available soon and you're ready to start applying them to contracts. Enter your employee's name, email, and phone number, but skip the resume upload. We are working to remove this feature because it often causes errors, and customers will only see the employee's profile anyway. No one will see their full name, email, or phone until you apply them to a contract and they are hired. At that point, only that customer will be able to see the information. Next, fill out all of the mandatory fields marked in red. Let's start with the cover photo. You can upload your own or choose from one of our standard templates. Now for the About section. Start with the profile image. This is important because it puts a face to the name, helping customers feel like they're hiring a real person, not just a profile. Company name should be your company. Sorry, this field should have been pre-filled. For primary occupation, you can select from the most common list on the right side, or you can write in your own. Experience is where you list how many years of relevant experience this employee has with the occupation you just entered. Base rate is the hourly rate you want to be paid for this professional. Customers will search through profiles and request available professionals. Listing a rate gives them a good starting point. The all-inclusive rate includes overtime and is typically 1.2 times the base rate. The address field can be your company's address if the employee works near your facility, but if they live farther away, enter their home address so we can match them with the right contracts based on their location. Most importantly on this page is the About Me section. This section will be visible to customers, so don't include anything private. Use it to describe the professional's technical background and work ethic. Now continue with programming and technical skills. You must enter at least one, but you can add as many as apply. For manufacturer, click into the field and choose from the list on the right. If the one you need isn't listed, just type it in. For model, you'll see a list based on the manufacturer you selected. If you typed your own manufacturer, enter the model manually. Years of experience is straightforward. Self-rating is your assessment of how skilled the employee is with this technology. 5 stars means they are fully self-sufficient and can work independently with little or no direction. 1 star means they've been trained but have little hands-on experience. Don't hesitate to add 1-star skills. They show growth areas and can still add value. For example, if your employee is a 5-star ABB and KUKA programmer but has 1-star Kawasaki experience, they may still be preferred by the customer over someone with only Kawasaki knowledge. You can now save and close or add more skills. Next, follow the pencils and plus signs as you scroll through the profile, looking for the next red mandatory section. Applications are next. These describe how the skills are applied. For example, debug, maintenance, development, material handling, or racking. It's perfectly fine to copy content from the programming skills section if the applications were already described there. Many customers will only look at one section, so repeating information ensures nothing is missed, and it helps our AI search bot to identify your employee as a fit for requests and contracts. Save and close or add more applications as needed. Most of this info can be copied from the employee's resume. A good tip is to upload the resume into an AI and ask it to generate each section for you. The occupation section works the same way. Next is industries, which is self-explanatory. Then we continue to work experience. This should be copied directly from the resume. There's no need to include unrelated entry-level jobs. You've now completed all of the mandatory fields. You can continue adding more data in the optional fields if you'd like. Here's a tip. You can move profile sections around. If work history is the strongest part of your employee's profile, click the section header and move it to the top. Very important. Before you go, don't forget to update their availability and click Publish Now. Now you can apply your professional to contracts. They will start appearing in customer searches, and customers will request them through you, not directly to the employee. You can also use this Automate America profile instead of a traditional resume, even for customers outside of Automate America. Once your employees start collecting customer reviews, their profile becomes more valuable than a resume. When you are on the employee's profile, simply copy the address from the Google bar and share with anyone you like. Keep your professional's availability up to date. And here's a pro tip. There's no secret algorithm at Automate America. If you want your professionals to move to the top of search results, just update their profile or availability. That's all it takes. Remember to quote every opportunity you can. Automate America has the professionals you need, on demand, when and where you need them. Thank you for your time and for being a valued part of the Automate America community. I hope your company continues to grow and thrive while getting real value from our platform. Have a great day.